symbolize light. What does light do? It illuminates. I want to explain to you what happens whenever you become a believer. When you first become a Christian, the Holy Spirit indwells you, and then things illuminate, just like an airport. I'm going to click my mic 7 times, and I want to show you what happens on the horizon. The entire world illuminates. The runway lights up, and now God can guide you, and the Holy Spirit guides you. Keep that in your thoughts, and know that whenever you know Christ as Savior, the world looks different because God illuminates the world for you. God bless you.